All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing the Rio Hotel Casino out here in Las Vegas. Let's go. This is the Carnival parking garage where you park from. Walk up to the entrance to the casino. And here's a lobby area where you would check in. It's pretty small, pretty decent. It's always busy for some reason though. It's crazy busy. What I like to walk on the right side of the casino against the wall, and you can see everything. Pretty much everything in the middle is normally the casino area, but when you walk against the wall, you get to see everything that they have. And so if you get lost, you're like, hey, meet me over here at the sports book, or hey, meet me over here at this food court area. It looks like we got pizza. Oh, sports book deli. So they sell pizzas and everything out here, basically dedicated to the sports book area. That's really cool. You have a nice bowl of pho and watch some sports here in Vegas. Also get you some pizza if you wanted to too. All different types of pho, chicken pho, beef pho, teriyaki bowls, beef bowls, shrimp bowls, and time to enjoy. Let's go. We got a good place called KJ Dim Sum Seafood Chinese Restaurant. And it's open. Really nice.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's two. That's it.
Chow mein.
Oh, you want vegetable one? Two water and a hot tea? Yeah, dim sum. Rice? No. Okay. Wow. Do you have bean chives?
Some sing mai, and some duck.
You try.
No.
That's good.
No.
It's better than that.
Yeah, I liked it before, but not now. Not for breakfast. What's that? What's the other stuff?
That's a curly fish ball.
Balls?
Okay, you want this one?
No. Maybe.
Chicken fish soup.
Oh, chicken feet?
Soup. Want that?
No. Maybe later. Come back. Oh, rice porridge.
Yeah, porridge, okay. You want one?
One. Wait. For breakfast.
Yeah, really good for bread. Yeah, ask the waiters.
Oh, okay.
No, not
Really good. Soft, flavorful, onions. Really good. I really like the chow mein here. You gotta definitely try it out. This place is really good. Cool atmosphere, really good, friendly staff. Comes with the dipping sauce. Apparently this whole thing they got kind of looks like sukiyaki sauce. Comes with peanuts, chili, garlic, kind of sauce they got. I normally like sesame oil, but apparently they ain't got any. And they only come up with some soy sauce. That's what they got. They got this sauce here for the duck. Try it out. Okay, ooh, really kind of like a sweet and sour sauce. Very tangy. Dip it, soy sauce, and this new sauce here. Duck is fire. Duck is really good. Tender, juicy. Duck is amazing. Got a shrimp. Alright guys, we're gonna have to do like a photo slideshow. As I was recording throughout the casino, they were telling me they weren't allowing video recording. I'm not sure why, but they just weren't allowing it. So here's a slideshow of the casino. I was taking some photos as I was going. As you see, there's a lot of stores out here. It's a 2-story casino. A lot of stores were closed even during the day and night. I'm not sure what's going on. I know that they did sell the property and they will be turned into a Hyatt property. So there's more renovations coming down. I'm not sure if they're renovating, demolishing the whole building, or whether they're just redoing and remodeling it. But here's the Masquerade Towers elevators. There's 2 towers for elevators. Here's like a wine, espresso, coffee place that was open, surprisingly. Really nice, really clean, really nice design. Once again, these are a lot of places that I'll be showing will be closed. So don't expect everything to be open when you get here. There are a few things that are still open that you can do, like this arcade. There's some shops that are open too as well. There's a couple of restaurants. It's a good place for restaurant and food, but as far as shopping, there's not a whole lot to do. This used to be a real popular hotel casino, but ever since past few years, past 5 years or so, or maybe more, they've just been kind of going downhill. The souvenir store is excellent, 3 for $10. You can't beat for that. 3 shirts for $10. Even more designer, 2 for $25. They had really good deals. I like the souvenir store for sure. If you're looking for good souvenirs right in your hotel, all kinds of deals in Vegas, items you can buy. They had this unique Kiss car. If you're into Kiss, take a picture with. As you see, there's 2 levels, 2 stories of stores, Smash Burger as well. It's a pretty big hotel and casino. We got Smash Burger, and I forgot what their hour. I think it was pretty early too as well. You got a shopping store here with unique items, very shiny, like purses, designer stuff that you can go out and buy. And just give you some more angles of the hotel. What's a Pretzel? I really like they had a bubble tea here and fresh lemonade. They close around like midnight though, so you want to get there before midnight. What's a Pretzel? Fresh lemonade. Here's just more angles of the casino. It's a huge casino. I hate to emphasize that, but it's huge. You can even get a tattoo if you wanted to. They were surprisingly open. They had an Asian store to go out and get some Asian items. And a unique art store. They had really cool art out there. It's pretty cool. And they got like some sportswear for swimming and stuff like that. Here's some more art pictures I thought that were pretty cool. Another angle of the hotel as well. I was on the 2nd floor looking down. They do have an all-you-can-eat Indian buffet. Definitely want to try that out next time. They have some really good restaurants out here, as far as like the Korean barbecue, the pho you saw earlier, the dim sum, Indian buffet, and they have this oxygen bar, of course. That's always a staple here in Vegas. Also, they got a pool, real nice pool actually. Here's just another angle of the pool area. You got a nice gym area too as well. It's not huge, but it's pretty clean. Here's the bar right next to the pool area. And we got, of course, the Starbucks. They have about 3 of them, believe it or not. And I think only 2 of them are open. You go out and get a massage. Penn and Teller, where's the show that they have there? Another angle of Starbucks. And a souvenir store, a convenience store. You get some chips, some soda, some chocolate, souvenirs items. And the Korean barbecue. Like I said, they have fancy restaurants out here. Really Asian themed. If you're looking for some good Asian food at your restaurant, in your hotel, I mean, this doesn't get better than that. You got Korean barbecue, you got pho, dim sum. It is kind of pricey though. As you can see, it's $48.88 per person. Here's kind of a look at the menu items of what kind of items you do get. $450 per person or even plus. You got, of course, all American bar grill, typical bar food, burgers, fries, the Vietnamese pho place that we had earlier. And here's the menu items and the prices. $20 security guy here. And then you have 2 axes, one for there and 1 axis over there. Here's the elevators. You get 4 elevators, which is a decent amount. Or at least it's the minimum, at least, right? Here's the hallways. Pretty clean. It's dated, but it's pretty well kept. And here is our room, 1372. Let's go. All right, and over here, right from the door, first you got a bolt, and then you got another padlock, and obviously a regular door hanger. But you have a huge outside sink, separate from your toilet. Nice mirror, a bunch of drawers. You got a nice little makeup seat for a nice mirror. Another mirror there too. The doors. Wow, the doors actually work compared to some other hotels. Missing the safe and the fridge. Got the safe. Couple hangers, iron board, iron. Of course, you got your hair dryer. Let's see if this clogs up. Works really well. It doesn't clog up. That's a plus. Looks like they use Jose Eber for their soap. You get a facial soap, box Kleenex, couple cups, ice bucket. Nice tile floor. I mean, really clean. Granite countertop, facial soap, body lotion, and a shampoo. Nice mirror right there. Once again, spacious. You gotta do the. All right, of course, you gotta do the toilet flush. Ooh, now that's a flush. That's a toilet flush. All right, and then you get the separate door, standard shower curtain, tiled shower. It's not bad. It's a little dated, but it's not dirty by any means. The crevices are not pretty clean and well kept compared to other hotels I stayed at. And here's the shower pressure test. Well, that was powerful there. Let's go look. That's a standard one. Standard shower pressure. You get even higher if you wanted to. Stronger pressure. Oh, there we go. All right, this is, oh wow, look at all that. You can get all kinds of shower pressure. Now, that's 10 out of 10 for sure. For the shower pressure, just look at this area from this angle too. The door you come in, mirror, mirror, huge another hallway. It's really, really big and spacious. You do get a connecting door. I don't like that. Check this out. Bam! Check out this view. Nice, huge room. Like I said, it's over 500 square feet. And you got another bed right under here. So you actually get two beds. Nice, comfortable couch. It is vintage, but it's comfortable and clean. Nice coffee table here. It's really strong and sturdy. Granite countertops. And you got a TV out here that actually pulls out. And you got a fridge as well. It's nice and clean. A couple of storage. And here is a nice little mirror you get to as well. There's no plugs over here, unfortunately. I wish there was a plug. Excuse the mess of the bed. Didn't have time to make it, but here's the view of the room from this angle. You get a nice natural light, floor to the ceilings, windows. You don't get that very often in casinos or hotels. And over here, you do have a plug on this side. It's very hard to reach though. I'm not sure why they just put it right there behind the bed. You could have put it over there, but who knows what they were thinking back in the day. You do have a digital thermostat here, and you do have a view of the mountains. You do get your desk, a single seater, a double, and nice view from over here. Let's check out this view. And then from here, you can work, trade some stocks, or do your work, whatever, while you're checking out the mountain views back here. Check this out. You don't get the strip view on this side, but it's not a bad view as well. Check out the mountains. It's nice. That is a nice view of the mountains back there. If you're a mountain person, you can definitely see some nice mountains back there. And the residential as well. You're near the Palms Casino, and you're near the Gold Coast Casino as well. And we'll do a review on both of those hotels. And also, you got a Denny's. I think there might be 24 hours, Del Taco, Chick-fil-A. But I know that the Walgreens is 24 hours, and that's definitely a good place to get your amenities, anything you might have forgot, or anything like that you might need. Right across the street from the Rio. You can't beat that. And also, you got a free self-parking. They do have a parking garage called the Carnival Parking. So if you're looking at Google Maps, they lead you right to it. So free parking out here at the casino. Not bad. You're far from the strip. You're not too far from the strip. You could walk if you really wanted to. But I wouldn't recommend it. Probably getting like an Uber or something like that. And on the desk over here, you do get another phone out here. Like I said, the same buttons out as well. No plugs. You do get a telephone outlet. Like that's kind of how dated it is. It has telephone outlets. And a nice desk here. You do get a single seater with some nice view as well. Plugs, they do give you a couple plugs out here. You get 4 of them. I'm not sure why they just put it right way over here. But other than that, you do get everything else. A nice sofa couch, huge room, a lot of space. Not high, not standard ceilings, but nice room, very clean. It's vintage as well, but I don't really get that vintage feel at all. I do feel like it's a really good kept hotel casino. And at least I don't know if they remodeled it or soon or whatever, but I recommend staying here, especially the value that you get. There's a bunch of restaurants downstairs that we'll be checking out. So other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button to keep me motivated to make videos for you guys. Like I said, I'm making videos at every single casino out here in Las Vegas, so you guys have an idea when you come to Vegas or what to expect. Hit the like button, subscribe. Talk to you guys on the next video. Peace.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.